definitely say this has been the best band that the school's ever had. Mr. Marshall touched on it earlier. It's great to have two singers who I can literally just give a CD to and just say, can you go next door and just learn this song? And they come back and they've learned it after 10-15 minutes. They are brilliant. The drummers are absolutely fantastic. Dylan, the last song that we played, The Pretender, was just making bits up as he was going along. I know that he's doing it, because I know the parts, and he gets this sort of cheeky little grin when he's doing it. You won't have a clue, and it takes, a lot. You've got to be a drummer or a singer or be involved with this sort of thing to appreciate just how good these kids are, especially these four. And Stephen, where he's not playing this one because there's no brass in the Foo Fighters. So. Dylan just came to us in the last one and went, oh, can I play bass? And this is about 2 weeks ago, and I said, well, can you play it? And he went, yeah. And he just sort of picked it up, I showed him the notes, and he's played it perfectly, so well done to him.